Well, good morning. Thanks for joining me for another easy camping adventure. Today I'm just outside of the little town of Darrington. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to camp, but I have an idea. I have a hope. We'll see. There's snow on the ground, and but we have a little reprieve. I think I've got one more weekend here where I can get up into the higher elevations before winter sets in and I'm kicked out of here for the next 6 months. Drive. Trouble ski. I'll look if the snow is gone. I'll keep going. Well, that's a bummer. Ended up just a couple miles short of my goal. This snow is not even hardly snow, it's just ice, and so you don't even get to choose. I mean, you have a steering wheel, but you don't get to choose where you go. It decides for you. So I gotta turn around and find someplace else to camp, but I do have an idea. So hope is not lost yet. I came across this little viewpoint that I usually stop at. Thought I'd stop and show you what the Sauk River Valley looks like when you can see it, not when you're in it. Yeah, all that snow we got here about a week ago melted so fast it just washed the road out. Wow, look at this forest. I know I'm close to camp now. Well, that's not bad. I certainly took the long way getting here, like last week. But this is actually a pretty nice spot. I'm pretty close to the road, but I'll bet you no more than 2 people come past the whole time I'm camped here. Got a couple options. I could set it up right there. That looks nice over there. So I picked up this canopy about a year ago off Amazon for $175, and it's just been really great. In the summer I just use the roof for a sunshade, but in the winter I put on the walls. The walls are held in place with Velcro. I like the windows. I want to show you something I got from a friend. You know, I'm an old timer, so anything that's crafty like this, an antler with a piece, well, you can see rawhide and everything. Here's what it does. Huh? I'm trying to bushcraft a fire with it. Okay, let's give this a try. Whoa, look at that. Bushcrafty. Well, there. Now that I got that fire going, I think I'll go ahead and get dinner underway. Tonight I'm going to have kind of a traditional camping fare. Chicken enchiladas with rice. It's an easy dish to throw together before you go camping. Just swing by your deli or takeout and grab some. Well, good morning. That was a good night's sleep. It got down to about 32 degrees last night. But that didn't bother me in Spike any. It was in the mid-40s in Spike. Anyhow, I think I'll go ahead and get breakfast going here so I can get the day started. I wanted to go up to those waterfalls today and check those out. Well, here we are. Let's go see what these falls are like. That's a bad place to fall. Oh man. Let's see. Well, how about that? North Fork of the Sauk River Falls. closing. Now I just have to get back up there. Should be easy enough. No problem for a thrill seeker. Well, I guess it's time for me to put this book down and get dinner started. I think, in fact, I know tonight for dinner I'm going to have meatloaf and mashed potatoes with some kind of vegetables on the side. Normally when I have mashed potatoes and meatloaf, I make that myself the night before and bring that. But this time, gosh, I was working all the time and everything. I was just so tired. I just went to the deli and said, yeah, fine, here's 20 bucks. But I know it tastes good, so I'll go ahead and get started on that. Also, I've got some cheese bread to go with it, so it should be pretty good. Almost forgot my bread. Here we are. Okay, that's worth 16 bucks. Well, I think it's probably about bedtime, getting close to 11 o'clock, and it's cold outside. It's 31 degrees. Last night it got down to 32 degrees, so it's colder tonight. And last night I was pretty cold, but fortunately I'm such a slob that I haven't disposed of my old sleeping bag. I just put it in the new sleeping bag's container. So I will take this tonight, I will unfurl it, lay it across my bed, and hopefully I will be toasty warm tonight instead of a little bit on the chilly side as I was last night. Oh yeah, this is a lot nicer. I'm going to be cozy warm tonight. Good night. Well, good morning. That was about 32 degrees for a low last night. Actually, guys, 31. Didn't get any colder than that, so that's all right. And as usual, I went and overslept. Whenever I camp in Spike, this morning I get up till almost 8 a.m. I'm not quite used to sleeping in till 8 a.m. Anyhow, I guess it's time for me to get the camp broke down and put away and head on out of here. I want to thank you for coming along, hanging out with me on another adventure. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one too. Well, there we go, all cleaned up, and we're out of here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it.